Learners.
Hello learners, in this video we will learn about the names of animal groups. So let us start. Lion. A group of lions is called a pride. So we say a pride of lions. Wolves. A group of wolves is called a pack. So here comes a pack of wolves. Birds. A group of birds is called a flock. Here comes a flock of birds. Elephants. A group of elephants is called a herd. So we are seeing a herd of elephants. Fishes. A group of fishes is called a school. Look, here comes a school of fishes. Monkeys. A group of monkeys is called a troop. See, here we can see a troop of monkeys is eating fruit. Goose. A group of geese is called a gaggle. See, here we can see a gaggle of geese. Penguins. A group of penguins is called a colony. Here is a colony of penguins. Bees. A group of bees is called a swarm. See, we can see a swarm of bees here. Dolphins. A group of dolphins is called a pod. See, here is a lovely pod of dolphins. Crows. A group of crows is called a mother. See, here is a mother of crows sitting on the tree branches. Leopards. A group of leopards is called a leap. See, here is a leap of leopards. Rhinoceros. A group of rhinoceroses are called as a crash. See, here is a crash of rhinoceros having a very good time. Owls. A group of owls is called a parliament. Here is a parliament of owls sitting on the tree. Pigs. A group of pigs is called a sounder. Here is a sounder of pigs. A group of hippopotamuses are called a bloat. We can see a bloat of hippopotamuses swimming or floating in the water. Hyena. A group of hyenas is called a cackle. We can see a cackle of hyenas eating here. Ducks. A group of ducks is called a raft. We can see a raft of ducks swimming in the pond. Giraffe. A group of giraffe is called a tower. We can see a tower of giraffes standing here. Kangaroo. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. We can see a mob of kangaroos resting here under the shade. Fox. A group of foxes is called a skulk. Here comes a skulk of foxes. Caterpillar. A group of caterpillars is called an army. Here is an army of caterpillars on the plant. Bats. A group of bats is called a cloud. Here we can see a cloud of bats flying in the sky. Turtles. A group of turtles is called a bale. See, here a bale of turtles are sitting on the rock. Thank you for watching MooMooLearners. Please do like, share and subscribe.